तो हम आगे बढ़ते हुए दोस्तों हमारा जो नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट और हाउसिंग सोसाइटी में लगने वाला जो क्लाउड सॉफ्टवेयर है दोस्तों, नीड फॉर एन अफोर्डेबल क्लाउड सॉफ्टवेयर टू मैनेज एवरी फंक्शन इन कोऑपरेटिव हाउसिंग सोसाइटी दोस्तों। इस विषय पर आगे लेके जाएंगे मिस्टर अंकित रक्षित, नो ब्रोकर हुड की तरफ से हैं। इनको मैं इनवाइट करूं, ये एक्सीलेंस काम करते हैं दोस्तों, सेल्स एक्सीलेंट लीड है नो ब्रोकर हुड में। वो इस विषय को आगे लेके जाएंगे, तो अंकित को इनवाइट करता हूं। अंकित प्लीज वेलकम।
Namaskar, Namaskar. First of all, hi everybody. Thank you everybody for having me on board for this webinar. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Chandra Rakshit. I am currently overseeing sales excellence for No Brokerhood. Okay. So before I start, I would just want everybody to, just let me know whether my screen is visible because this presentation is going to give you a little perspective towards what I'm going to speak for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Gentlemen, today I am going to introduce to you Hero May, a super product which called No Brokerhood. Okay, and this superhero product is not only a product; it's actually a guardian angel. Okay, a keeper, of a society and the residents who resides in these societies. As because this product keeps and helps for each and every needs of a society. Okay, and it gives me immense pleasure and makes me same time and proud at the very same time to state that we as No Brokerhood are the largest in this space right now in society management, and with thousands of societies we are managing currently across the nation. And to go in further, as No Brokerhood, I would just like to mention that we offer the best in class technology, to conveniently manage and keep the society living safe and secure. Okay. I'm in, it gives me immense pleasure to, introduce and tell you and let you know that we are associated with more than 1 crore happy customers with across, with a team size, growing team size of greater than 2,500 people who are striving day and night to, bring on a smile of satisfaction on our across 12 major nations in the country, major cities in. So we are also, pretty much loved brand and trusted brand. We have been presented in lot of recent TV ads and media reports as well. Okay. So when I talk about this product, okay, talk about our three very dynamic uh, founders. Okay, if to name them, Mr. Akhil Gupta, Mr. Amit Kumar Agarwal, Mr. Saurav Garg. Okay, all are alumni from the top-notch IITs and IIMs of the nation. But very interestingly, they are also the residents of a gated society, and this is what has made them, understand the pains, the nuances which a admin or a management committee member faces while making managing a society with proper efficacy. And that is why they, this is their brainchild. They came up with this product which is going to do a greater good for the societies, all these societies, as well as the nation at large. Apart from this, I would like to tell you and let you know that we have been trusted by established investor groups worldwide with 1,100 crores of funding, which is, if I want to name a few, General Atlantic and Tiger Global from USA, VY Capital from UAE, BNO Singapore, South Korea, Japan, etc. And the most interesting thing is that we we earned our very recent funding in this June while in this testing times of COVID-19 pandemic. So that's something worth mentioning. I would just wanted to let you know about. Already said that we as No Brokerhood are very committed towards making the society and the resident safe and secure, and hence we have inculcated and incorporated a lot of features which is really going to ensure that the society and the residents live very safely at these testing times of COVID-19 pandemic. To name a few of the features which we have inculcated is like COVID health tracker. So what it basically does is that it lets you know, first of all, it is, I must say that it is integrated with the Arogya Setu app to bring in more accurate data, it provides. And secondly, this app is helps the residents to know about COVID positive patients as well as the flats which are in quarantine right now in the entire system. So that's very really helpful. Even the residents can also track and know the status of the location from where their maids, their house help, their cook, their drivers are coming into their houses. So that the status of that particular location can also be tracked in here. So this is very helpful. Apart from this, face mask check, temperature check, is also a feature which enables the resident to get a notification from the gate that whether the visitor who is going to visit is either wearing a mask or not, or and the real time temperature of that visitor, so that the resident can itself take a decision whether to allow or not allow, according to their own discretion. So this is really helpful. Now, more interestingly, I would like to go into the financial module of our ERP, which we provide. As we all know, Tally is the most popular accounting tool. Okay, and it is well versed and well used by accountants across the nation. Okay, so we really know that, and hence we have made our system, our ERP financial system, in such a way that it is very compatible with Tally. And what happens is that due to this, import and export of data becomes very seamless, very easy. A layman can do that after a little walkthrough. So this is what it does. Secondly, if I talk about utility bill payment, it is made very simple, which can be done within few clicks with a lot of mode of payments like credit card, debit card, UPI, and net banking, etc. And we are also integrated with Bharat bill payment, so which makes again the payment experience extremely seamless and easy for the user. So one-stop user-friendly dashboard. Yes, we are one-stop user-friendly dashboard. We are extremely, our interface is extremely consumable, very easy to use, very easy to understand, and you can just say that we are this app is the panacea to all the pains which one can face or come across while maintaining a society with efficacy. About financial and statutory reports, you can access GST, TDS, income, expense reports, asset reports, and balance sheets very easily from our app. So this is one thing which is very helpful for any management committee. Asset maintenance and management becomes a very crucial part of maintaining a society. So for this, what we have done is that you can set up reminders, okay, for assets like lift and generator, etc. And even you can set a 4 level escalation matrix to maintain it. So that also can be done via our system. We always see our security is we are concerned about security. Our payment experience is very secure, and we also claim that we enable same day settlement really great in our business right now, which is very important and worth speaking of. So apart from this, I would like to tell you, and I am feeling very generous, very privileged to tell that our ERP solution right now is the best in the country. And why do I say that? Because any layman can make any kind of reports, any kind of bill calculations, with any method possible. Because we have more than 300 plus templates for calculations only. And I would definitely like to tell you that the India's largest private sector bank, HDFC, has vetted for us and they are associated with us. More than 5,000 branches of these banks are selling our ERP solutions as a financial module to their own society relationships. So this is a humongous feat which we have achieved. Okay, right now we are the best ERP solution in the entire nation. So this gives me immense pleasure to tell you that. In the earlier part of my opening speech that we are not only an app, we are kind of this app is kind of a guardian angel to the society and the residents. So there are a lot of features which we have inculcated after years of research and gathering knowledge from people, from societies, from customers, and we have made it little close to perfection. Nobody is perfect, but little close to perfection. So maid, cabs, delivery alerts, these things are definitely you can get the notification. But apart from this, if somebody does not have or misses the notification that is sent from the gate, okay, or somebody is not using a smartphone app, so we have introduced this IVR. Somebody can be who misses the message can definitely use this IVR option to allow or disallow guests. Secondly, we have often seen that there is always a problem and conundrum and a conflict for parking, because guard is clueless that whose vehicle is parked in which place and how to sort this out. Now people are already in conflict and they are yelling at each other. So with these features, the guard can easily track down the vehicle by just entering the number of the vehicle, and he can get the contact details and who owns the vehicle and get it sorted. So now in COVID-19, we have seen that social distancing is a thing. It is very important, and so we have brought in inculcated touchless entry and authentication. We have introduced face recognition system for authenticating the visitors, both for entry and exit. So it is totally touchless. So a little one step ahead to go in terms of ensuring everybody is safe and secure. Vendor tracking, definitely you can do vendor tracking, track vendors, manage vendors, and see the entry and exit of vendors in our via our app. One very important feature, which is it is kind of USP for us as well, that it becomes very important that we know the pattern of patrolling of the guard in the entire society. So how to track this? Because it is a very important thing and as well as very tough thing to monitor. So with this app, it. We take use of the geotagging, and what the society does is they make a different checkpoints in different parts of the societies. What the guard does when the guard moves in that particular location, he just scans that geotagging, and that data is retrieved, and that data is taken into account in our dashboard. So anybody from any time and anywhere can remotely access to that data. And monitor whether the guard is patrolling properly or not. So this is the help of what technology helps us, how technology helps us. Now this new feature which I'm going to say, this has a very emotional touch to it. When we were developing it, we kept in mind our elderly parents as well as children. Most of the time what happens that we have to leave parents and children alone at home, and we are very much worried about them in case, God forbid, any emergency erupts. So what then? So with this SOS alert feature, a little button on the app, if you just we just need to press that button, and not only the guards, but also the family members are notified about it, and proper necessary actions can be taken. And we are all about protection, and we do that to the data of the societies as well. So protection of the data is a very important thing, and I would like to mention that we are top notch in it. We are complying to GDPR, PDPP rules, as well as the server which we are using is globally accepted and trusted. That is Google server. Okay, and we also have a contingency servers, so that in case one server is collapsed, so that does not have any hamper, any problem with the operations as well. Okay, so this is what we do, and so I will rest my voice with that note. And it was extremely amazing sharing this information with you all lovely people, our creation with you all lovely people. And thank you for having me. And thanks a lot. Namaste.